Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a spectacular Lamborghini cocktail, step by step. This impressive drink requires 4 key ingredients: 1 ounce of rich coffee liqueur, 1 ounce of potent Sambuca, 1 ounce of vibrant blue curacao, and 1 ounce of creamy Irish cream. You will also need a sturdy, heat-resistant glass, a long straw, and a reliable long lighter for the dramatic flaming effect. Safety is paramount, so always have a damp cloth or fire extinguisher within reach. Now let's begin building your cocktail. First, pour 1 ounce of coffee liqueur into your chosen heat-resistant cocktail glass. Next, with a steady hand, carefully layer 1 ounce of Sambuca on top of the coffee liqueur. The trick is to pour it slowly over the back of a spoon, allowing it to float gently, creating 2 beautiful, distinct layers. While you do this, prepare your remaining ingredients by pouring 1 ounce of blue curacao and 1 ounce of Irish cream into 2 separate shot glasses, ready for later. This is where the Lamborghini cocktail truly comes alive. Using your long lighter or kitchen torch, carefully ignite the top layer of Sambuca in your glass. Watch as the beautiful blue flame dances, creating a stunning visual spectacle. Always exercise extreme caution when working with fire and high-proof alcohol. Ensure the flame is stable and contained. Keep your hands and face a safe distance away, and remember those 2 shot glasses of blue curacao and Irish cream you prepared earlier. They are crucial for the next step. Now for the exciting part, enjoying your flaming Lamborghini. Insert a long straw into the glass, ensuring it reaches the very bottom. Begin to drink the cocktail quickly and continuously. As you approach the bottom of the glass, simultaneously pour in the shot glasses of blue curacao and Irish cream. These liquids will extinguish the flame and mix with the remaining drink, adding new dimensions of flavor and a creamy finish. Enjoy this unique, multi-layered experience responsibly and swiftly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.